What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazz back again with another video. And before we get started with anything, please make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, turn those post notifications on, and just tune in with your girl. First, before we get into anything, y'all, I got to say thank you for all the support on my last video, y'all. We almost at 400 subscribers, so make sure y'all subscribing to my channel. Cause period, y'all really shut out on my last video, and I just want to say thank you. Okay. As you guys can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we finally taking out my hair, y'all. I think I left it in for about 3 days. 3 days. Oh, 3 days. No, 4 days. Something. 3 to 4 days I left it in. And I wasn't going to leave it that longer, but I got to go to work. So, yeah. If you haven't seen my last video, the last video was a lock update. Me answering just a few questions. You know, if y'all do got any other questions, just let me know down in the comment section below. I'm always willing to answer y'all questions, whatever question y'all may have. Period. So we just gonna get right into this video because I know it's gonna take me a little minute to get all of these out. So yeah, I ended up taking the row in the back out because it was actually a little too tight for me. So those are already out. I think I took those out like the second day or the second day, I think. So yeah, what I'm gonna go first. Here go this shit being cold again. I don't be playing. So y'all know that I'm really not motherfucking playing when I say that this shit is cold. Spray some more hydration mist on there. And if you, like I said, if you haven't seen my first video, go watch that first video. My first video was me answering some questions and actually showing y'all my style, because if you follow me on my Snapchat, you know I don't really be getting my hair done like that for real. Like I don't want to say not getting my hair done, not getting my hair styled, because the girl don't like tight hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take some of this oil, put some in my hair. And just put it on my hair. And then we're gonna start taking that mud out. I'm probably gonna be fast forwarding, cutting out some of this video, a lot of this video, because I know y'all just really want to see the results. So, alright, we got one. We got one. Period. One that I didn't even put no oil on because I ain't put no oil on the front of my hair. Let me go ahead and put some of that on there. Now where's that one I just... No, I got a mirror this time, y'all, so... Let's look in the camera. And if I need to... I should have worn the mirror. Yes. I'm not need that bad one like that. Maybe what it is. We got one out. Yeah, boy. This is the curl that I was trying to get down. So bad. So bad, I want it, and I got it. Yep. We got another one. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and do half, and then I'm gonna come back and do another half since these rubber bands acting like they ain't wanna come off. So guys, we getting somewhere or some. We getting somewhere or some. Oh, that one popped real easy. Ooh, y'all see that? Period pool. I think this is the one that had, I think I had one with 4. Alright, that's it for this side. I'm gonna get this side done and I'll be back to y'all whenever I'm done. So remember I was saying I had one with 4. This it right here. I wanna know how this one came out. By the way, I'm done with the front half, so I'm gonna go to the back half and we'll be done, baby. We'll be done. Period. What is it? I just took something from over here now. You back? Alright, so let me go ahead and get this done so we can go ahead and get into these results, baby. Yes. Okay guys, so I think this is my very last one. Finally, hopefully. Let me just make sure I do this everything. My scalp feels so much better. But it's still a little sore on this side, but alright, you guys. So get this one. Take some more oil. Put some of my hand rub it together. And just put it on my hair. Turn around so I can get the back. And that is it, y'all. That is my results. I think I'm gonna do how I style my curly locks, like show y'all some styles to do it. These are the curls I was trying to get for so long. Would I go through that process again? Probably not. I did not like taking out my hair. I didn't like it at all. Like usually I don't have a problem with taking out my hair, but that was so hard for some reason. Like, especially like more at the roots, it was harder. Imagine if I would have kept it in longer and my joints would start sticking together and I had to figure out how the hell I'm gonna get all those locks apart, because yeah, but we're gonna make sure. And I'm also gonna spray some of this on here because my scalp is still a little sore, so Alright, y'all, so this is my results for my braid out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Real cute, 10 out of 10, and I definitely will recommend. Only if you got somebody else taking out your motherfucking hair, because baby, that takeout is not it. It wasn't it. So yeah, but I got it done. Let's see how long it took me. Okay, I'm not sure how long it took me because my phone won't let me see what time it is. So guys, that was it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.